Welcome back to Carolann Rose Yoga. So today I'm going to lead you through a meditation practice. And meditation is simply a journey from activity to silence. And there are so many ways and different types of meditation, but for today we're going to do a breathing exercise, or known as pranayama, and we're going to use our breath to give our mind something to concentrate on. So we'll be inhaling for 5 counts and exhaling for 7 counts. And by allowing our exhales to be longer than our inhales, we tap into our parasympathetic nervous system, which allows our bodies to start to relax. So take a moment to find a comfortable seat, whatever that might be for you today. So maybe it's on the floor. You can do this in a chair or on a couch. And if it's more comfortable, you can even lay down. So however you feel most supported today. And when you arrive, allow your eyes to close. Take a big deep breath in through your nose. And open your mouth, exhale it out. And 2 more like that. Deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, let it go. And 1 more inhale. Open mouth, exhale. And begin to just breathe in and out through your nose. And start to notice the points where your body comes in contact with whatever is supporting you. And depending on where you are, either sit up tall, maybe allow your shoulders to drop down, but take a moment, make any little adjustments or movements to get comfortable and to sit up as tall as you can if you are sitting up. And just scan your body quickly and your mind. Just notice how it feels today. And then just let that go. And we'll begin this breath. So we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in and out through the nose. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll guide you through 1 more. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With your own pace, continue to inhale for a count of 5 and exhale for a count of 7. So stay with the breath. I'll guide you out at the end. And anytime that you notice that your mind starts to drift off anywhere, just notice that it has drifted off and bring it back to the present moment. So just continue to focus on your breath. It allows us to give us something to concentrate on. So concentrating on your breath allows us to steady our minds. Continue breathing. As you continue to breathe, just try to keep the breath slow. So really slow breaths in and slow breaths out. Just being mindful. Whenever you finish your next round of breath, just start to breathe in and out through your nose. So find your natural rhythm. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And open mouth, exhale. And eyes still closed. Just start to notice how you feel. If there's been any shift or any changes in your body, maybe you feel more relaxed in your body. You feel a little bit more focused. And just simply notice. And we'll take one more round of breath together. So deep breath in. And exhale completely. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day or your evening.